This is my 2004 Nissan Titan pickup truck. And I'm going to show you a typical problem that you have with these older Nissan Titans is the climate control module. It's not really the module that goes bad, from what I understand. It's just one of the knobs that controls the fan speed. This entire thing really is made from plastic, and over time that plastic becomes brittle and the knob, the little device inside the knob, will break and you won't be able to control the fan, which also controls the fan for all of the HVAC, for the heater or the AC. This particular truck only has 98,000 miles, even though it's a 19-year-old truck. This is a pretty simple operation that you can do yourself. I'm just going to use an old plastic tire tool for changing tires on a bicycle to pry this center console piece out. And if you're just gentle with it, hopefully you'll be able to get it out of there without breaking anything. Need to turn the ignition on so I can get the shifter knob out of the way so I can remove the part and get to the wires on the back. Once you get it pulled away to where you can get to the back of the console, a series of tabs that you have to push or pull in order to remove the wiring, and I think there's about 7 separate plugs that you need to remove in order to be able to get this panel out of the truck. Now, from my research, there's really only 2 basic options that you have for a replacement module for your Nissan Titan truck: the climate control module, or HVAC controls, or AC controls. One is to buy it brand spanking new from a Nissan dealership, and that's going to cost you a lot of money. I paid just under $700 for a new module from the Nissan dealership, which I think is just absolute insanity. But it's a lot better than spending $40,000+ for a new truck, and that's how I justify it to myself. The other option is you can find them on eBay all day long for in the $100 to $200 range, but I figured that would be a complete gamble because you might just get one that's broken or about ready to break anyway, and then you've wasted $200, have to go buy one from the dealership in the end anyhow. Either way, I think replacing this module is just an extremely expensive for what it is. But what other choices do you have? You're kind of between a rock and a hard place if you want to do this. But without the control of the fan, makes the truck miserable in the hot or cold months of the year. Anyway, that's how I'm justifying this process, and at least I didn't have to spend any money on labor to replace it. Now, about 7 years ago, I was into this old control module, and it's real easy to get into. There's 4 tabs you got to push with a little screwdriver. And I did a DIY fix with some JB Weld epoxy and toothpicks, and I can't remember what all I used to make the repair, but it did last 7 years. And this is also what led to me just buying a new module, because there wasn't much left to fix. But the problem was with the fan control knob. Let me pull this knob off of here and I'll show you what I did to fix it. It's just made out of this clear plastic, and the little wings broke off the centerpiece there that actually turns the knob for the pot that controls the fan. I put some toothpicks and JB Weld in there, and you got to whittle that down so the rest of the knob fits on there and operates for the push button parts. Here's a look underneath one of the other knobs, and they're completely different. It's just the fan control knob that has this plastic piece in there that controls the pot. But you can pull this knob right off there, and you can see where this one actually has a split in it. There's not a lot of material to work with, so it's real difficult to repair, and I'm actually surprised that my repair did last about 7 years. That's going to depend on how often you use the truck. We don't use ours that often. But there's really not much to work with. Maybe I could have slapped on some more JB Weld and fixed that crack. Inside there is a metal insert with a flat spot, and that's what actually controls the knob of this fan. There's the metal insert contained by a very, very thin piece of brittle plastic. Too bad they don't just sell that piece, but they've got the racket on the marketing on this, and you got to buy the whole unit to fix the fan control knob, unfortunately. So let's get back to the replacement of the control module on this Nissan Titan pickup. Basically, you just remove those 4 Allen head screws, and once you've got that complete, flip it back over, and you want to pull these knobs off the front. Just pull on them steady and they'll pop right off of there. Of course, you've got 3 to remove, and once you do that, the control module will just fall out the back, basically. So for your just under $700 from the dealership, you're going to get 3 extra knobs for the outside control, and then you'll get the module itself. Putting the new module in is just the reverse of taking the old module out. Just slip it in there in the proper orientation and reinsert the 4 screws. Just be careful, it's all plastic and probably brittle if it's an older truck like this. And once you've got the 4 screws back in, flip it over, and then the replacement knobs will just snap into the front. You get them in the right position, it'll kind of drop down, and then just push it and it'll snap into place. Then it's back out to the truck, and we'll get these 7 wire connectors back onto the back of the module, and they all go in their own specific slot, so you can't really get those mixed up. And they all snap in place so you know that they're in properly. Then when you snap this entire module or the center console piece back in there, just make sure you get everything lined up. Don't press too hard, it goes in pretty easy. That way you don't break anything, any of that plastic while you're putting it back together. And the knobs all seem to operate properly. And we'll turn the ignition on and test it out, make sure everything operates. Each knob has several different functions that it controls, so I'm just testing them all out and making sure everything's working like it should, and it looks like it's going to be good to go. So hopefully this video will help you out, especially if you're a 2004 Nissan Titan owner and you need to replace your climate control module because your fan speed knob isn't working anymore. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next video.